this, you've hurt yourselves.
All right, everybody.
I do not feel bad.
I am tasked with selling some vintage stereo equipment for a local fellow. Here is a Marantz 4300 receiver. It's got the 4-channel module installed underneath, and it has a new in the box RC4 remote controller. The receiver appears to be working great. All the lights are operational. All the modes are working. But it needs to go. He collected for many years and then said, well, now I've got all this equipment and there's no home for it. So he brought it to D-Lab. I'll be showing a lot more of this equipment in the future, but if you're interested in the 4300, contact me. We'll arrange to either have a local pickup or pay the big bucks to have it shipped. So I have done absolutely nothing to this receiver. It's been in storage for many years. I'm assuming it's probably worth around $2,000, but I could be wrong. But if you're interested in this piece, let me know. I can supply you more pictures, more video information if necessary. But this one here, guys, is a keeper. So contact me ASAP. I'm sure it's going to move fast.